Did you know last year Americans spent over $25 billion for Valentine's Day? And studies show people spent upwards of $335 leading up to that day. But if you think that's crazy, an additional 7.1 billion was spent on things for coworkers, pets, and even friends. Meaning this holiday is the perfect time to launch some new items. So, with that said, let's talk about how you can capitalize on this and what items will be the top sellers for this crazy cash holiday. Okay, so I already know what you're thinking. It's not even Christmas yet, and I have to start thinking about Valentine's Day? Yep, that's how it works. See, as an Etsy seller or an entrepreneur in general, you need to be ahead of the game. And this means planning 2, 3, even 4 months in advance. So if you aren't thinking about Valentine's Day right now, then you're already behind. So let's not waste any time here and jump right into this. Also, just a quick side note, I already ran all the numbers, looked at all the reviews, just to save everybody time so that we can get through this as quickly as possible. So here we go. The first item is underwear. I know this is really random, but these things are huge sellers for Valentine's Day. They're more of what you call a novelty item. They're purchased as a joke. Now, they don't only sell during Valentine's Day. They sell all year round. They'll sell for birthdays, anniversaries, and things like that. And as you can see, looking at the data from Everbee, last year this company sold roughly 1,300 of these from January to February. They brought in upwards of $22,000 within those 2 months. Now, that seems like a lot, but it gets even wilder. If you want to take it up a notch and be a little risque, adding this sort of image to those boxers brought in over $90,000 in those same 2 months. And no, I'm not joking. This company sold over 4,000 of these from January to February. And as you can see, the sales are pretty consistent throughout the entire year. And they're even selling right now in December. Now, the great news is Printify has these in boxer briefs, thongs, and even regular underwear. And they're priced as low as $10.34 for ladies and $13.03 for men. So you have options to sell these for both genders. Meaning you could push multiple items all at once and expand your reach to different consumers. And even though there are quite a few people selling these, if you think outside the box, like that second company, then your chances of exposure double, and also your profits. Now, before I move on to the next item, you may be wondering, well, how do I take someone's picture and face and make this sort of item? I know it seems hard, but it's actually very easy. And I plan to release a video next week to show you how to go about this. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I plan to show you how to make this item and fulfill the order within minutes, not hours. Okay, moving on, let's talk about coffee mugs. During Valentine's Day, these are huge winners. They tend to be cheaper, and because of this, a lot of people add them to gift sets. It's like a little add-on. Maybe they'll buy some flowers, a teddy bear, and then a mug. And breaking it down, this one here is super simple to make. And with a conversion rate of almost 8%, you know people are eating this up right now. They sell a regular one for $13.99 and colored ones for $16.99, which are extremely great margins. And I'll talk about that in just a second. First, I want to show you this one as well. This one is a personalized item. And anything personalized is a huge seller on Etsy. This one's only been out for 4 months, and according to Everbee, it already has 554 sales. So trust me, going into January and February, this one is going to explode. So quickly jumping on Printify, you can see that mugs start as low as $3.50, and there are a ton of options to choose from. One of my suggestions here, since they are so cheap, is to purchase one yourself so that you could take pictures. Everybody's going to have the same mocked up, same look, but if you stand out from the crowd and you take your own picture with this, more consumers are going to stop scrolling and look at your item versus theirs. Now, really quick, I want you to check out this video afterwards. I made it a while back, The strategies that this company used in that video helped generate them over $100,000 in just 2 months with a simple design. It's the strategy that I want you to pay attention in that video, not the design. So keep that in mind. The next product is blankets, and I've talked about them in the past. Plus, Printify has a ton of options. Picture collage blankets are by far the most profitable on Etsy. They also sell all year round, just like everything else I'm showing you, because that's important to me. I want you to make money, not just on this holiday, but throughout the entire year. Now, this one shows 2,500 sales in 12 months, and this one 5,700 sales in just 9. The best part about this is because it is personalized, you can actually sell it at a higher cost. They have this listed between 32 and 35, depending on the sale that they're running at the time. And Printify sells the Velveteen blanket for as low as $9.50 for a 30 by 40 and $15.55 for the 50/60. Now, before anyone says, well, they're listing this as a fleece blanket, trust me, it's not. That's a Velveteen blanket. I own quite a few and I know what they look like. Now, before I go on to the next item, if you're interested in selling blankets, make sure you check out these videos. I launched an entire series about this a few months ago. I went through how much these are making, how to market them, and even how to fulfill the order very quickly using Anywhere POD. So this entire series will help you generate the revenue that you want with blankets. Okay, so for this one, I'm actually going to do it a little different. I'm going to combine two items. When looking around Etsy, I have yet to see this sort of combo. You see things like bed and bath or fragrances, cards, things like that. But you don't see this one. So let's take a look. I want you to combine candles and teddy bears. We already know candles are hot sellers. And teddy bears, huge during Valentine's Day. This candle, for example, has 3,600 sales in 22 months. And this one, 570 in 5 months. Now, I chose these two particular ones because they're geared more towards Valentine's Day. Now, if you combine something like this with a custom teddy bear with a picture on it, you're going to be completely set apart from everyone else. The bears sell upwards of $35, whereas the candle averages about $16 for a 9-ounce. And looking at Printify, you can grab both of these together for about $30, meaning your profit on this would be $20 per sale if you price it right. However, because they are sold from two different print providers, the shipping will be separate. So make sure that you calculate that in the price point. Now you're probably wondering, well, if I combine these two items and they're from two different print providers, then they're going to ship from two different locations. And that's correct. But to be honest with you, most consumers don't even care if that happens, especially during the holidays. I'm going to give you a great example of this. So last year I bought about 50 of those little candles from Yankee Candle, those little tester ones, and I wanted to try every scent that they possibly had. What I was not expecting is that they shipped them nonstop from all different locations. I'm talking about throughout the entire 2 weeks, I just kept getting orders from everywhere, which was kind of annoying at times because I had to constantly check the door, but it showed that they didn't care what the consumer thought or combining them. They didn't expect to ship everything to one location and then to you. So don't stress about that at all. Instead, just make sure that the consumer is aware that some of the items will arrive separately, which they did in the email that they sent me. Now, before I jump off, I'm not sure if you missed my last video, but I plan to launch a free course starting this January. The school platform is actually live right now, and the community is growing rapidly. There are a lot of great people in there, and the success stories keep piling up each and every day. It truly is amazing. So click the link in the description below to join. I plan to start adding the course in sections, which I honestly believe will help a lot of people learn more quickly. This is going to allow you to take it step by step and work along with others, which is the whole main purpose of my community. I want everybody to succeed together, so I hope to see you in there. And together, we are going to make sure that your Etsy shop is a huge success in 2025. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.